Alrighty, folks. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. My name is Bojan Petreski. Today is June 22nd, 2022. This is the 3D market commentary for today. We'll be getting started in just a few seconds, right after our disclaimer finishes up. And looks like we're good to go across the board. So let's go ahead and get started with today's session, which is as I mentioned, the 3D market commentary. You can obtain the 3D market commentary either at the previous link below or the one right here, tradewithufos.com/newsflash. This is what it would look like in your inbox Monday through Friday. Why do we call it a 3D market commentary? It's because we utilize a 3D approach. Those three dimensions of that 3D approach are the market climate, buy and sell UFOs, and market volatility. The market climate is what gives us the upcoming market direction, whether we should be looking for long or short opportunities. Buy and sell UFOs are patented and proprietary technology, giving us the unfilled orders, unmistakably named UFOs because they do look like flying saucers. And of course, the market volatility, the upcoming price change speed, whether or not we need to be adjusting our risk to reward ratio. So we combine these statistical elements to remain objective and realistic, which is very important when we're trading, investing, or hedging. All right, so applying these three dimensions to each of these five markets that we have on the right is what we're going to do next. So the first one on our list here is the S&P 500. As we see, it is still in a confirmed down climate. The eighth day down out of typically three, as we see right here as well. Eighth day down out of typically three. The sell UFO is way up here at 4509 to 4432.75. The buy UFO is at 3713 to 3639, which is where price is currently at. It's at 3705. Based on the VIX, we're still looking at elevated volatility at 31.25%, 73 for the day, points 160 for the week, and 334 for the month. A little bit about the S&P. We've definitely come, quite a bit a ways away from the all-time highs here. We've had several, retests of those highs, and still continued on downward, even though we had closes above. So as of right now, still looking at a down climate, still looking, more towards the downside. And of course, even though we are in a buy UFO that, initially might have given us a little bit of a bounce here, we're currently looking, we're testing it fairly solidly right now as we speak. So there's a good chance that once today closes, this UFO will disappear because those unfilled orders already would have filled. All right, now if you're looking to educate yourself, we do offer the main asset classes, both the stocks, futures, and forex, and of course, we also offer the tools that you need um, to backtest, to put a trading plan together, and to put trading psychology together. They're all available here. Any one of them comes with complimentary access to auto UFOs and auto climate. And as you may see on the roller down below here, we are launching a new 7-day crypto assets course with a special live online launch July 9th through the 15th. So definitely check us out for that as well. All right. The next one on our list here is crude oil. So crude oil looks like it's finally given up a little bit and might test some below 100 areas soon. Currently down over 5.5% for the day, and it hasn't even opened yet. The day before that was also a similar day, 6% down. So it's good to see this happening because this might normalize some things. Of course, we have quite a bit of um, retests, especially in this area right here. So this might be, and also it's right around that 100 even round number. So this may be where price might pause. But right now we are looking at a down climate that is confirmed. That's the fifth day down out of typically six. New UFO that has formed 110.43, 116.58. that was also already tested right there. And then right above it, 116.62 to 123.68, pretty much close to these all-time highs right here. Down below, the same UFO, 80.47 to 77.83. Um, I'm I'm assuming that it's gonna be quite some time before we can get there. Based on the OVX, we're looking at 46.56% volatility. Again, not unexpected given the current, macroeconomic and geopolitical situation in the world with the Russian invasion in Ukraine. As of right now, that's that for crude oil. Next one are our apps. If you need the auto UFOs, we do have them available for multiple platforms, as well as our very own platform, which is top. You can use this link here or the one down below here to subscribe to any of the apps. We do offer monthly or yearly memberships. All right. Next one on our list is gold. So gold is currently in a down climate that's not confirmed. So any dot that is thin, and I'm just going to zoom in here to show you a little bit better. Any dot that's thin, regardless if it's blue or red, is an unconfirmed climate, and therefore we don't have certainty in the directionality of this market. 1781.3, 1753 down below, 1962.7 to 2003 up above. UFOs. GVZ is giving us 18.24%, 21 points for the day. Right now, gold is kind of trading in that previous day range already. Looks like it came a little bit lower. Now it pushed back up, so we're going to see which way it goes. But as I mentioned many times before, gold used to be the traditional, risk-off instrument where, as soon as anything happened, any sort of additional volatility is added to the markets, people would usually flock to gold to kind of preserve their wealth and grow it potentially. But as we see right here, that's just not the case anymore. Gold has returned to where it was before the crisis in Ukraine. So, all right. Now, if you need coaching and support, we do have live trading sessions available for you. But on top of that, we also have all asset advanced coaching. All asset advanced coaching lets you sign up for one-on-one sessions with any one of the instructors on our channel, where we would go over any questions you may have. How are you trading? What are you doing? And perhaps just give you an additional input that might be missing, and something might be required for you to adjust and for you to get to where you want to be. So definitely check that out. Let us know if you'd like to sign up for a one-on-one session with any one of the instructors using this link here, or of course the one down below here. All right, now moving on to the dollar index. The dollar index fell off from where it was up here, only just to return back there, and then a couple of very indecisive 3 days there. Currently touched that 104,425 UFO to 105,565. Still looking like it wants to keep testing. The climate is confirmed. It's the third day out of typically five. Down below, we do have another buy UFO at 102.85 to 101.865. 9.57% volatility for the day. 63 cents expected move for the day. The dollar's just been really showing strength in the past, I would say, couple of years, if not more. We had a bit of, we've had, consolidation areas several times, only for them to be broken out to another consolidation area, another break. Oh, wrong one. To another, breakout. So another consolidation here. Breakout became smaller, only to have, a return down below the consolidation area here. Ultimately, we ended up returning a little bit of indecision here to another pretty big breakout up here. almost no consolidation there, and then we saw a pullback down. So we're going to see which way this heads afterwards. But it's the dollar has been showing strength for, I would say, the past couple of years, most definitely. All right. Now, if you don't want to read this overview, we do have it available to you and broadcast to you Monday through Friday. It is broadcast anywhere where we can stream, essentially, which is YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, and of course our partner Tiger Trade. The content of this market commentary is broadcast daily, as I mentioned. However, this will take you to our YouTube channel, where I would appreciate it if you can like and subscribe to it, to our channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so that you can get notified every time we go live. All right, last but not least is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is currently in this 20,000 range. It has been for a few days now, kind of slowly inching its way above the 20,000. Is like keeping itself there. Yesterday it was looking pretty strong there at 22. Came back down, closed the day around the 20 range. Today just kind of flatlining, not really doing much else. It is still in a down climate. It is confirmed. Um, we're working on making some adjustments on our auto climate indicator so that even if there's less data, it gives us what it has been doing for the past period that it is available for. Sell UFO currently in right now 2120 to 22,917. Buy UFO 19,612 to 17,610. Based on BVIN, we're looking at 108.67. Daily expected move of 1407. Bitcoin has had, quite the slide down, given how it's been moving lately. Getting in a range, breaking down, kind of getting in a range, breaking down. So right now we're expecting a little bit of ranging here, and we're going to see if it's going to, keep going down, which is not unlikely, or if it's going to reverse from that area. We'll see where it goes from there. Right, that's that for the instruments for today. Now, if you want to be a top trader, top stands for the Predictive Options Planner. Top is a broker agnostic platform that we have developed in house. Top will let you essentially trade any asset that you want to, because it can let you plug in your own broker. On top of that, Top has certain features in it that I would say only uh, professional platforms out there have, not retail platforms. And on top of that, it is all done with server-side processing, meaning your computer does not need to be as powerful as you think it might need to be for some of the calculations that are required if it were to be done locally. Since all the calculations are done on our servers, you can essentially trade this on a Chromebook. Not quite, but a I would say low to medium grade quality laptop is more than sufficient. Click here to subscribe to the app. All right, that's that for the newsflash for today. Just wanted to go through the news for the week. So we've already had CPI post in Britain, CPI in Canada, and Powell is testifying today. We're going to look at to see if there's any hints of slowing down on the tightening. If not, obviously it'll be business as usual. PMI in Europe and Germany. CIPS services PMI in Great Britain. Powell's testifying on Friday again. Stress test info is going to be important on Thursday. And the RBA's Governor Lowe's speech on Friday. That's that for today, folks. Hope you found this session helpful, and I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.